Can't find the perfect laundry stool that actually lasts these days? Modern lifestyle plastic laundry stool, available in 2 sizes and multiple colors. It's high-quality plastic, has anti-slip rubber, leave no floor marks. Small stool is perfect for quick seat and kids reach. Larger stool is good for extra lift like high shelves and more. It's high quality and has thick plastic, built from premium, impact-resistant resin, won't crack like brittle budget stools. Has anti-slip rubber trim, has full edge grip that keeps the stool steady and protects floors from scratches. No floor marks, smooth base plus rubber equals spotless floors after every use. It's an easy clean one-piece design, no screws, no seams, just wipe or rinse, and you're done. Built to last, built to protect, built for you, versus the cheap online alternatives. All made with high-quality materials that will be with you for a long time. It's perfect for doing laundry, bathrooms, yards, and this upcoming All Saints Day. It's now available at all leading Ace Hardware stores nationwide. With 30 years of experience, long-lasting performance, and the highest quality available in the market, it would be the best choice to buy. Modern lifestyle plastic laundry stool.